Okay, today's still my sick day, so I'm making a homemade chicken soup. So what I've done so far is I had a box of boneless chicken thighs, and I use scissors, but I'm using my phone. But anyway, I cut them into pieces. Anyway, I cut my chicken up, okay? I'm showing you how to make homemade chicken soup when you're sick. There's a stick of real butter in there. I'm going to cut up an onion. I'm going to cut up 2 potatoes. I'm going to put some garlic in there. I'm going to put 1 or 2 of those in there for flavor. And then I'm going to season it. And then I'm going to boil it. And I'll cook it really slow, but that's the best thing in the world for when you're sick. So, I'm trying to figure out how to put this so I can show y'all what I'm doing. Maybe that works. Okay, I'm gonna get to work cutting up the onions. Okay, so I've cut up the chicken. My word. I like my vegetables chunky. Just giving y'all the heads up on how I like them. I don't see any reason to dice them into a million pieces, because what a vegetable mainly does in a soup is flavor as far as like onions go. Plus, I just knocked the crap out of my finger. So, okay. Hope y'all can see that. I don't know if you can or you can't, but I hope you can. So there's the onions in there. I'm gonna cut another onion. I did buy myself a, what's it called? A vlogging camera. Start using it soon. So you see, cutting up these onions. All right. I wanted to say that onions have healing properties. I mean, I was positive they do. I know garlic does. And yeah, I'm kind of like halfway doing this because I really don't feel well. I went to North Carolina to see grandbabies, and at the football game, it was packed. It was homecoming. It was homecoming, and we were packed in there. Oh my God. So like, I just found out from my daughter-in-law that my best friend, my best friend, my granddaughter's best friend, her entire family has coronavirus. I'm pretty sure I've had it because I've had it once before. Okay, what you do with your garlic is you mush it. So you lay it on the counter, hit it with a knife. I mean, hit it with the flat side of your knife. I don't know if that's showing, but that didn't work. Is it popping up? Ha ha! Now it worked. Anyway, I'm just gonna throw some garlic there. Okay. Alright. I can't stand the mess. So, like, I clean as I go, so that's what we're doing right now, because Pete cannot stand her kitchen to be messy. Out on that. Y'all are seeing me? I look pretty rough. Today, by the way, I'm at a headache and nausea stage again. So, alright, that's cleaner than it was. Coming back. So we can cut these potatoes up. See, I'm not playing, I'm just hoping to see it. I'm just cutting these potatoes up. I'm boring on the TV. Homemade Homemade chicken soup is the best thing to eat when you feel terrible. All right, so see, throw them in here. That's what I've done so far. So you've got chicken in here. You've got water, chicken, a stick of butter, potatoes, onions, and some garlic. Now I have not added any seasonings, but this is going to be my homemade chicken soup. And it's going to taste really good. Okay. I don't really know what these exactly are for, but I think they're pretty. So I'm going to throw 3 of them in there. A yellow, a red. Should we cut them? I mean, I don't know why not. Let's cut them up. There, we're cutting them up. I really need to. I swear I bought a camera. All right. Throw them in there. Okay. Probably gonna need to add some more water to that. I'm gonna get my seasonings out. First thing I want is, now I prefer to use a rock salt, but I know exactly how to measure with this. Best way to measure, like for potted beans or chicken and dumplings or soup, is do this much salt in the, like a quarter size in the palm of your hand. Pop in there, boom. You're welcome. All right, now let's find some pepper. Here we go. We're gonna do the same thing with the pepper. So, do you see this? Pepper in there. All right, so then I'm just gonna go pick a variety of things. Some mustard. I love seasonings. I don't really know that we need garlic, but hey, why not? Ginger has a lot of healing properties, so we're gonna do some ginger. Don't you act stingy. Come on now. I like this seasoning. We're gonna put what I have left of it. This is really good in green beans, by the way. Okay, now, get it to the trash. It was a hot mess. Okay. There's my 6 spot over there, see? All right. Okay. Paprika. I love paprika. All right, I'm tripping like Kid Rock. She tripping like Kid Rock. Kid Rock. Cayenne pepper, we're not gonna do that. Basil, sage. Sage has healing properties. You know, for now, I'm gonna stop. Oh, why did I put my salt over there? I was dumb. Okay. All right, so here's how our soup's looking. I have everything in there. This is homemade chicken soup for when you're sick. Healing chicken soup for the soul. I think I need to add more water, and I am gonna add more water, but look, all that's in here is chicken thighs, boneless. I cut them into pieces with this pair of, I like to use scissors in the kitchen. Onion, some garlic, and one big red onion. 2 roasted potatoes cut into pieces. That's it. That's my soup. Because what you want from your chicken soup is the healing properties, the broth, the chicken, the way it makes you feel. So I'll bring this to a boil. I'll bring it to a boil and then I'll let it simmer for about, I'll probably cook it about 3 hours real low because I like to cook my soup a long time. And then I'll probably eat on it for a couple days. Okay, so this has been brought to you by P Baby. Look, my counter's a little messy, but I'm gonna clean it up and I will show y'all how my soup turned out in a little bit. Over and out. P Baby loves.